Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Firstly, I would like to congratulate the entire Seven Islands team for completing 10 glorious years in Mumbai. And extend a big thank you to our entire Hawk family and their families for supporting our journey in the last 10 years and supporting the brand Harley Davidson in Mumbai. Seven Islands has come a long way in the last 10 years. We have successfully delivered more than 4,000 field machines and contributed to over more than 6 crore kilometers of riding. This would not have been possible with the immense support of Harley Davidson India, the Hawk chapter, the directors, assistant directors, treasurers and secretaries who have been part of this journey over the last 10 years. I sincerely hope you will enjoy all the festivities that have been planned by the Seven Islands team this evening. Lastly, I would like to thank Max and his team. Under his leadership, the team has grown and successfully delivered every expectation that is coming out of our Hawks. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Max D'Souza. I head dealership operations here at Seven Islands Harley Davidson. On this occasion, I would like to thank each and every Hawk who has contributed towards this journey. It gives me immense pleasure in thanking all of you. Congratulations guys on this joyous occasion and a very happy anniversary to all of you. Thank you.
Hello, Namaskaram. This is Prashant Balan, Director of Seven Islands Chapter Committee. Seven Islands Chapter has been winner of the best chapter of 3 times in our tenure, and wishing a very happy 10th anniversary. Cheers to all Hawk riders. Leave your passion. Screw it. Let's ride.
Hi, I'm Rajesh Panjwani Zingo, Assistant Director for Seven Islands Chapter. I have been Hawk since 2016 and I have covered a lot of miles, around you can say 60,000 miles I have completed. And I've really had a good time and enjoyed a lot of riding in this ride. I really, thanks to all my brotherhood and sisterhood in SI Chapter, I would say all the best to our SI Chapter for completing 10 years of its anniversary for this decade. I can say congratulations to Max, Ravi and all SI team and all the riders. Cheers. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Pritam Thakur, Secretary of Seven Islands Chapter. I would like to congratulate Seven Islands Brotherhood on its 10th anniversary. I have been associated with Seven Islands since 2014 and it's been a glorious 6 years riding all the brothers and sisters. I've completed about 1 lakh kilometers and I would like to wish Seven Islands next 10 years of glorious riding. Thank you.
Hi folks, I'm Jason D'Souza from the Seven Islands Chapter Mumbai. Wishing you all a happy 10th anniversary. I've been riding with the Harley Davidson's Mumbai Seven Islands Chapter for the last 3 years. It's been a wonderful journey and I've clocked in a lot of miles with a lot of brothers and sisters in the chapter. Cheers to all the riders of Harley Davidson Mumbai Seven Islands Chapter. A happy 10th anniversary to all of you. Cheers.
Congratulations and wish you all a happy 10th anniversary Seven Islands Harley Davidson Mumbai. I happened to enter your dealership 10 years back and finally bought my first Harley Davidson in 2013. I'm honored to have represented the Seven Islands Chapter as a director in 2016 and 2017. and we are fortunate, and we won it for 2 consecutive years, and hosted 2 zonals, one in Ambi Valley and one in Daman. Wish you all the very best, and for many more anniversaries. Be safe, ride safe. Cheers.
Hi, myself Imran Qadri, Head of Marketing Harley Davidson India. I'm obliged to be part of this celebration. Our dealership in Mumbai, Seven Islands, is completing its 10th year of successful operations in the country. A big congratulations to the team. It's a great feat, well done. And you've been instrumental in providing the support to the brand and also to establish such an engaging riding community in Mumbai and around. Wish you all the very best future. Cheers.
Hi everyone, I'm Kawaljeet Singh, Lead Customer Experience at Harley Davidson India. Do you know which chapter has hosted the maximum rally till date? It's Seven Island. Many congratulations to Seven Island Harley Davidson for celebrating their 10th year of successful operations in India. I'm proud to share that this is my 10th year as well with Harley Davidson India. So at the end, just want to say keep up doing the great work you're doing, as there are many such milestones ahead. Thank you.
Seven Islands Harley Davidson, it's an absolute privilege to have this opportunity to wish you. Can't believe that it's been a decade. I still remember back in the day when I had walked into the Bandra dealership to select the first set of HOG officers. It feels like a lifetime ago, and this is one chapter, one dealership that has grown from strength to strength to strength, and I was the most proudest person on earth when your chapter lifted the Chapter of the Year trophy. Today, on this momentous occasion, on behalf of Harley Davidson, on behalf of everybody at work, and on my own personal behalf, I'd love to wish you all a very happy decade, a very happy anniversary, and more power to Seven Islands.
This is Sunita Mande, Ladies of Harley from the most happening chapter of India, SI. I would like to congratulate Seven Islands on completing a fantastic decade of giving wings to our passion of riding. I have been associated with the SI chapter since 2012, and I'm more than happy with your awesome service. Cheers.
Hi, my name is Vivek Khanna, and I'm the proud owner of the very first Harley Davidson motorcycle to roll out of the Seven Islands dealership. I'm guessing that is what perhaps also makes me the very first HOG. I remember distinctly that day when I booked the bike, even without seeing it in person. And pretty much that booking booklet was inaugurated by me. I'm guessing, or I guessed for a long time, that was perhaps what made me a very special customer for Seven Islands. It's only later that I realized that actually all their customers are very special to them. It's been a great journey, right from Arjun to Surjit sir to even the mechanics who were known by the first name basis. They were like one large family. Riding needs, assistance during rides, wishes, whether reasonable or unreasonable, seemed to be just a phone call away, and that made things special. Needless to say, along the journey, I made some very special bonds and friendships, which can be given no other apt name other than extended family. These were permanent bonds, never to be broken, great friends who I can depend on now and forever. These people, hopefully if they see this video, they'll know who I'm talking about. I'm really glad that I have this opportunity to wish you guys on your very special day of having completed 10 long years, which seems only like yesterday to me, because of your great attitude and your 100% commitment to the brand Harley Davidson and your customers like myself. I wish you all the very best in the years to come. My very best wishes to excel and continue to be the most supportive and successful dealership India-wide, which in my opinion you already are and will continue to be. Lastly, like they say, and we all believe, that it is always never the destination, but it's the ride. It's been a great ride with you folks. Keep up the great work, continue to prosper. Cheers and good luck.
25th August 2010 saw a new horizon for riders across Maharashtra as Arjun Bafna stepped out to open a dealership of Harley Davidson in Mumbai, and it was 3rd of March 2012, which gave birth to formation of first 2 Hawk chapters in India, that is 7 Island Hawk chapter in Mumbai and 9 British Hawk chapter at Ahmedabad. And on the said day, the 9 British Hawk chapter hosted the first WHR Western Hawk Rally at Daman, and it's my fortune both this chapter from inceptions are very close to my heart till today. A decade celebration calls for a big shout, hip hip hooray, for Arjun Bafna and his entire team, as well as Hawk, who made it possible for Harley-Davidson India to stand as #1 brand and most preferred motorcycles among riders in India.
Hey, hello everybody. This is Vinay Rajput, the youngest regional director for Hawk in India. First of all, I would like to congratulate Seven Islands Harley-Davidson for completing 10th years and for their 10th anniversary. One of the biggest and the vibrant chapters and the dealership we come across in India. My experience with the dealership goes years back since I started exploring Hawk in 2013, and I have come across fantastic piece of riders, fantastic management of the dealership, and I wish you guys all the best, and I wish that you guys keep partnering for the riders' quest of personal freedom and many more success ahead. Keep riding and stay safe out there. Thank you.
This is Harkaran Tuli, Regional Director, India West. I would like to congratulate Seven Islands Harley-Davidson for completing 10 years, and I'll see you guys on the road very soon.
Hi everyone, I'm Ankush Gulati, Regional Director North, Hawk India. I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate Seven Islands Harley-Davidson chapter on completing 10 grand successful years and keeping the Harley-Davidson banner flying high. Wishing you all the best for a brilliant future. Cheers!
Hi, I am Vivek Poddar. Seven Islands, the pap of all chapters. Super congratulations to the principal dealer and to the lovely brothers and sisters. Anna, you've been truly a role model for me. Just 2 lines. इनसे दोस्ती कर लो तो जन्नत मिल जाएगी. दुश्मनी कर लो तो छुपने की जगह कम पड़ जाएगी. Super congrats once more. Bye bye.
Hello guys, this is Varun Vanam, Regional Director for South. I would like to congratulate Seven Islands for the 10th anniversary, a decade of journey, right? Great going guys, keep rocking.
Hey guys, this is Abhishek Divekar and here's wishing Seven Islands a very happy 10th anniversary. I've started riding with the chapter since 2014 and became an officer in 2016. It's been a remarkable journey and I've enjoyed every bit of it. Looking forward to continuing this ride and achieving great milestones in riding along with the chapter. So once again, happy anniversary and cheers!
Hi friends, we've actually given the honor to speak a few words regarding Seven Islands completing its 10 years. It's a great honor to actually talk about this journey, and I would love to wish Arjun as well as the rest of the Seven Islands team the very best. I have been associated with you for almost 10 years and my bike's almost that old. I had the privilege of actually kind of getting the first fat boy on the road in Mumbai, alongside the fact that I inherited the Hog brethren, and along with that I also managed to actually become the first director of the Hog, organizing rides, trying to get our first Western Hog episode done alongside with the Nine Bridges team as well. That was a lovely and nostalgic feeling which I'll carry for the rest of my life. I wish everyone the very best, and keep riding and safe riding. Stay safe. Thank you.
10 years, congratulations. You guys are rock stars, and I am proud to be a chapter member and I'm proud of every chapter member. See ya. See ya.
In 2011, I bought my first Harley Davidson from Seven Islands. Everyone I've met, rides that I've done, destinations that I've seen have been wonderful so far. And on this occasion of their 10th anniversary, I wish them a lot of success and I wish them a wonderful decade ahead. Harley's been stellar in a new era of long-distance riding in India. I smile every time I think of myself in the saddle, and every time I think of what am I going to plan to go to see next. In these trying times, may your bike bring you peace and calm, and a sense of riding responsibility. Be safe, y'all. Take care.
Congratulations Seven Islands for completing 10 years, and I'm so lucky to be part of Seven Islands since 7-8 years, I guess. Let's rock it, man. Do it more of riding, more of events and everything. Congratulations Bafna Motorcycles for giving us this opportunity to be part of this chapter. Thank you very much. Thanks to all the guys behind Seven Islands and all the riders. Let's rock.
Hi, this is Amit Jambotkar, known as Jambo. Congratulations to Seven Island Harley Davidson on completing successful 10 years in India. I'm so glad that I'm part of this lovely team. Thank you so much.
Delighted to be part of this vibrant community that the Seven Islands chapter is in India. Enthused by the milestone, 10 years of freedom. Happy to have been part of the journey for the past 9 years. And in this period of lockdown, one can intensely feel what we're missing. So great going, Seven Islands. Thank you for all that has been part of our lives in the last 10 years. And I know that we'll only be back sharper, riding harder and creating experiences like never before as we get closer to the end of the tunnel. All the best, guys. Hang in there and play your music loud and hard.
Hi guys, I am Harish Makwana, a proud member of Seven Islands, Mumbai, and wishing you a happier 10th anniversary. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Sachin Diwan from Seven Islands. I would like to wish a very happy 10th anniversary to the staff and the team of Seven Islands. The team of Seven Islands is really incredible and helpful. Keep up the good work. I would also like to thank all the Seven Island hogs who have come forward and helped Seven Island come up. Let's take it up further. See you on the road soon. Cheers. Bye.
Hello everyone, here's your very own chapter manager of SI, Ravi. It's been a wonderful journey so far and a big privilege to serve the India's largest chapter, Seven Islands, Mumbai. And I'm proud to be a part of this great company. Without our hawk support, this wouldn't have been possible for us to reach at such a high peak today. I thank all the Hawks of Seven Islands once again for making me the best chapter manager in 2019, and hopefully this success will continue. I would like to thank my dealer principal Mr. Arjun Bafna, business head Mr. Max D'Souza, our ex and current core committee and every working committee chapter officers, along all the Hawks, LOH and Harley Davidson India team for your warm wishes and blessings. Cheers, stay safe.